Greetings, Discrete Defenders. Today I'm out testing this standard pressure wadcutter load from Underwood. It's 150 grains. A little earlier I tested it on the chrony and it averaged 863 feet per second. So a pretty powerful wadcutter load, pretty strong standard pressure load. But right now I'm set to try to capture it in almost a 30-inch long column of water backed by a 2x4. And we'll see what happens. Hold on, let me set up. There's a ridiculous amount of power in that. The first water jug was absolutely annihilated. And of course it's a wadcutter. The hole going out looks about the same diameter as the hole going in, but it doesn't matter. The pressure wave set up inside of that jug just absolutely flattened it. We had a successful capture. Second jug likewise is blown out. Third jug is losing water out both sides. But down here, at the back of the last jug, right where it impacted the 2x4, and it did impact the 2x4 because you can see where it pressed the back of the plastic jug into the wood. Sticking out the back of the jug is that wadcutter doing what it's supposed to. A devastating round. Just remember that image of that 2x4 with the back of that kitty litter jug driven into it. After 30 inches of water barrier. Wow, that thing is whole and intact. Let me just pop that sucker. I can't even pop it back in. Pop it back in, there we go. Popped it back in. And I'll get it out of there and show it to you. Well, there it is. No expansion, just doing what a wadcutter does, absolutely blasting its way through everything in a perfectly straight line. That lipstick load, wow, it looks the same front as back. That 150 grain soup can, I imagine this would be a great barrier penetration load on auto glass or a black bear. I don't know what to say. That's an overpowered wadcutter. Not a great target shooting load. Not that it doesn't shoot straight, it does, but that it would hurt to shoot 50 or 100 rounds of that all at once. And that's just a standard pressure round. Man, 38 Special is one of the most underrated cartridges in the whole world. All right, thanks, folks. This has been Dave with DDR.